First part of this video is a reenactment of what happened to really spoil my day. Stopped the bike as normal outside the garage, put the front wheel up against the drop curb, which is quite a step. Left the bike in gear, got off, walked up towards the front gate. Well, up until this incident that's about to happen, I've had a good day. Been up to Toratech, spent some of my hard-earned money, and then came back a slightly different route to normal, down the Avon Valley to Port Talbot. Let's get back to the story though. Opened the garage door. Got the key to unlock the gate. Took my helmet off. Put it up on the shelf. This is the bit that really spoilt my day. This is not a reenactment. It happened. I don't know how. I can't explain it. So went back round to the other side of the bike, picked it up, didn't feel heavy, suppose it was adrenaline, and this is the damage. The end of the clutch lever snapped off at the shear point. That's what it's designed for. Scratch on the plastic handguard, and some abrasive marks on the engine crash bar. Looking around the bike, no other damage. Nothing else even seemed to touch the ground. Those engine guards did their job. Well, I hope this never ever happens to you. If you've liked this video, please hit the like button, click and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you soon.